This is one of my test engines I'm building on a system for a customer in Cleveland. Leon's a nice fellow, and we've just spent most of the last 4 days on motors, and this today was like a final. So this has an arc magnet on either side, and then a tall and thin magnet on the side, and that seems to give us very good support, easy start, smooth operation, and gobs of torque on the big end. So you get some trains to haul, this one is the one you're going to want, okay? And then right now I've designed it, I'm waiting for the printer. It has the holes in it to put these inserts in, and that will hold the limit switch that the cams go over, and the limit switch triggers the pulse that pulses this fan, and this is the smoke system that Leon's going to get. We've gone red, I don't know, it just seemed to happen, but this smoke will be on an engine. This engine I'm using, this engine turned out to be too far gone. This one was much better condition, so I'm going to use this for my test mule. I'm probably going to use this for my silver bullet and build an identical system that I do for Leon. At any rate, smoke will go here, the controller is here, I'm going to have a power distribution module, and I'm going to have a 9-volt boost, excuse me, and it gets its power from the track, and it sends 9 volts up here, and that's regulated to the smoke using this smart chip. And then this is the digital reverse and forward, which we're using now, so you can see that's all working quite well. And then that will be sent out, I'm hoping, in 2 weeks at the most. And then I have to find a platform for that'll work for him. But then we're going to work on his sound system, his version of the level 1 chuff sound and steam whistle and bell, and then he'll be all set with his version of the royal blue. Okay, that's what we got done. This is a nice little motor. It is really smooth, and I had some hopping. I thought, boy, this thing shakes. And I did a trick someone else was telling me about. He puts these wheels in his lathe. Well, I don't have a lathe, but I just turned the motor upside down, ran it at high speed, and I had a Dremel with a grinder going in the opposite direction. And I just held it real close to the wheel. I could see there was a high spot, and I just took it down until it was level. And I flipped it over and did the other side. Now this thing is pretty rock solid. It's pretty solid. So out around wheels, boys, it seems to be out there. You got to check it, because these things will shake, rattle, and roll. Okay, that's it for the day. I gotta go. The boss is getting on me. We are going to have egg salad sandwiches. I can't wait. It's one of my favorites. And always a gherkin sweet pickle. All right. Later, folks. I'll put this up right away.